Say hi. Not gonna talk now, huh? Any other time you open your mouth and you can't stop talking. Hi. Sleepy? You just woke up. You can't be sleepy. Drink the bottle. Hi, handsome. Say hi, Gaga. Whoa, what's that you got on your eyes? Hold on, let me get that. Yeah, can't be having lint on your face. Hold on.
You want to get down, little snooker pull.
Okay.
All right, I'm ready.
Recording.
Wait a minute. All right, let's see what we have here. What's up, y'all? It is
PurpleButterfly 7.
Well, and PurpleButterfly 7. And you know what your girl
PurpleButterfly, the PurpleButterfly.
All right, so
PurpleButterfly Soaps.
Story. You got me angled right. They can see me real good.
Oh yeah, they can see your whole body.
Nobody knows this, but I have a purse addiction, and I was doing good.
You get it from your mama.
Right, I definitely get it from her. And I was doing good over the past little while. I ain't been buying no purse. Every purse that I really have is because she gave it to me. So last week, I'm on my budget. You do what I'm gonna do. Cause I'm like, honey, you got to be disciplined. We got business and stuff. And so,
hold on. Hi. How you doing?
He's having a
okay.
good time. And so, she was over here last week and she showed me the live and I seen this purse and I'm like, oh my God, I gotta have it. Okay.
Now you know why I have a collection of I gotta have it.
Discipline is more important. But I wanted to say, I've never seen a purse like this.
I'm disciplined. I save and save for weeks and weeks and weeks. And then.
I don't want to cover my house.
This is mine.
So she got her a face shield.
Isn't that cool?
And you got something else in here.
It's pink. Oh, she gave me a goodie.
Mom has a goodie that we're about to fight over.
Well, it might actually be yours. I mean, it's a scarf. And she generally gives scarves with the purses.
We can share it. Because why? Sharing is caring.
Uh-huh. Sometimes when it's not scarves, she gives out like charms or whatever.
Oh, and the name of the business is BBDD.
Dazzling Designs.
Let me see that scarf. So we're going to show them that lovely thing. That's beautiful. You can have it though. I got the blue one in the car. So.
No, the blue one came with the purse I gave you.
Oh.
That was part of your gift.
Yes, but I thought it was, I love it. It's in the car and I love wearing it. Oh my God, this is pretty. But I mean, since Mommy loves pink and stuff,
Oh, that is gorgeous. It's got purple trim.
Yeah, this is going to her because I like more blue and turquoise.
You sure?
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't really like pink. Oh my goodness. All right, let me see. Got all the packaging. Oh my God, what? Oh Lord, hold on here.
It's a substantial sized bag too. Yeah, how you doing?
This is probably gonna be like a special occasion bag. I'm not gonna wear this every day. Oh man, yeah, this is so.
Go ahead to get some batteries if it don't come with some.
It's so dope, right? What? It's a real live clock, bro. What? This is live. Like, it's a whole clock on the purse. It's a real live clock. Look at that. Let's go. You can dress this up or down, more so dressed up. You got to have the right outfit with this, okay? They got a real life clock on there. So say you out and your phone die or whatever, you know.
And you say, what time is it? Oh, let me just turn my purse around.
Don't y'all see why I had to get this?
Open it up, because there's a few goodies that you need to see on the inside.
Wait, let me figure out how to open it.
Like the strap.
Right, I was wondering where the strap. I have air and stuff in it right now. Oh yes, then it has the strap. Oh, the strap is really cute, you guys. Good, good, good. Hold on, I'm gonna put this back in there to keep it.
Before you do that, open this part. Oh, take this out. See,
I
that's
see it. That's where we put the batteries.
right. Now check to see if it already has a battery in it.
It's nothing in there.
Huh?
It's not a battery in there. I don't know what size is it. Oh, it's AA. Well, we're gonna do another thing where I put a video in there.
Well, there's a AA battery over there, isn't
We'll
it?
go grab it.
Okie
That's why I
dokie.
see what I do it. You should have paused the video so they don't see me do it.
Or they could look at the fish. These fish are on YouTube. It's a relaxation video. 10 hours of that. So, yeah. I might post a link. I might not. There you go.
Alright, so give me 1 second. I think it's AA. It looks like it is.
That is AA that I just gave you. If you need AAA, I got some at the house.
Because you know I don't have my glasses on, you guys. So I can't really see what size battery it is. Son.
Then that means I'm going to have to set the clock for you because it's all on that little teeny dial that's on the clock face itself. Get some tight.
So.
Now turn it around. You should see the clock moving.
I don't know what I need to do. The battery's in there. Is it in there the right way? Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to switch positions.
Yes. Hold this. Got it?
Yeah. Because I cannot figure it out. God, that's so nice.
I think you got it in here backwards.
I just might. Mom always comes to the rescue.
That's my job. I am the mama. Ta-da.
There we go. Look at that. Awesome sauce. What?
And it has a zipper compartment on top of the part where the clock is. Has a zipper compartment here. Has a zipper compartment here.
So nice.
And then the strap. Ooh, the handle.
Ain't that handle nice?
The handle. Ho, ho, ho. I like the handle. I'm glad this is plastic because otherwise I would have broke it just then.
I probably have broke it too. That is so nice.
I just broke my nail.
You did. It's okay. We'll fix it.
Yes, please fix it.
It's so nice.
This is what happens when I do the nail thing. Oh, wait a minute. It's got like posts on there.
This
like
is so
alarm
cute.
clock.
Yeah. That's exactly what it looks like as an alarm clock. Wow.
Okay. There.
Y'all hear my son over there?
You
This is
focus.
super nice.
And then this is what I got.
I love it. I'm about to put this back in the box.
Because we don't know how long we're going to be in the age of COVID. But every now and then wearing those masks makes my face sweat and I start breaking out right here. So, bam.
With the scarf, you all set.
There we go. And then for those of us that wear glasses, this part pops off. So that way you can wear your glasses without messing up your, ta-da. And then I'll just stick this in my pocket or something. Isn't that a gorgeous scarf?
That's beautiful.
You sure you don't want this?
Positive, I don't like pink.
You don't like pink, really?
No. What color do I have on right
And you're
now?
my child?
What color do I have on right now?
Teal.
Teal, exactly. That's the move.
Pink and purple is the stuff. This is like the only time I'm not wearing pink. So, yeah. Pop a color with the scarf.
Very nice.
Although it's too hot in here for all this.
It is. All right, are we done?
Handy to
Very
camera back.
cute.
This has been People of 7. Oh, wait a minute. I'm facing the other way. This has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube. People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly Blogspot.com. I'm seriously going to stop saying my blog because I haven't updated that thing in like a year. And my soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, located at PurpleButterfly Soaps.com. www.myshopify.com. There's my grandson looking adorable.
Just make sure
There's my daughter. She loves her purse. Yeah. Oh, undo the back. Make sure you got everything out of there.
I did.
Okay. And this has been People. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now.